Hello friends, welcome to my channel Mystery Unscripted. Today I will talk about 5 most haunted national highways in India. These haunted roads in India every traveler must avoid. These roads are really beautiful, but at the same time they are believed to be haunted. Drive at your own risk if you must. One of the best ways to discover new places is driving long distances, although these road trips take travelers on memorable journeys across beautiful locations. One must have complete knowledge about the dangers on the road. India, like many other countries, is home to several haunted roads that are located in different parts of the country, and it is our duty to keep you informed so that you can avoid these roads while traveling. Number 1. Kasara Ghat. Kasara Ghat, situated on the Mumbai-Nashik highway, is said to be haunted, and lots of people have had their share of paranormal experience here. People claim to see an old headless lady here, accompanied by laughing. The ghat has seen many accidents and has been used as the dumping ground of murder victims. So, a lot of restless souls haunt Kasara Ghat. Number 2. Delhi-Jaipur Highway. If you are planning to drive to Jaipur via Alwar, you might come across National Highway 11A, which is an alternate route. This is also the road that can take you to the Bhangar Fort, which is well known for its hauntings. Well, that's another reason you might take this road, just to pay a quick visit to the haunted fort on the way to Jaipur. But then this highway is said to be as haunted as the fort itself. In fact, the stretch passing the Bhangar Fort area is believed to have been affected by the same spirits that haunt this monument. Explore at your own risk. Number 3. Kasedi Ghat. Those driving to Goa from Mumbai might come across Kasedi Ghat, a stretch on the highway that one must avoid if possible, especially during the night. People say that the ghost of a mysterious person tries to stop vehicles passing this stretch, and when someone refuses to do so, the car meets with a major accident. Creepy, isn't it? Number 4. East Coast Road. If you go on a road trip from Chennai to Pondicherry, you will come across the East Coast Road, which is considered to be a driver's delight. The 2-lane highway is known to provide a smooth ride along with beautiful sceneries on either sides of the road, but it is better to avoid driving on this road after sunset. This road is badly lit and it is believed to be haunted by the ghost of a lady wearing a white sari who distracts drivers, leading to deadly accidents. Travelers have also experienced a sudden drop in temperature on this particular stretch of the road. Number 5. Blue Cross Road, Chennai. There have been numerous suicides on this lane and is considered one of the most haunted lanes in Chennai. The road is canopied with trees, hence it's cut off from light even during daytime. At night time, it's even worse. People have spotted a human-like but scary creature walking down the streets here. So, are you ready to go on a drive on those roads? Reply me commenting below. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe us for more such creepy mysterious videos. Till then, bye bye.